In order to avert a global energy crisis, attention is being paid to algal biomass as a significant component of a sustainable energy economy. As the market for algae evolves and matures, the needs of the supply chain become as varied as the products that the algal biomass can be used to produce. From the algae farmers to manufacturers and distributors of algae-derived products, SRS Energy, a separation and purification company, has developed products, services, and relationships to support the full value chain. Algae farmers utilize an array of farming approaches spanning heterotrophic fermentation through outdoor phototropic ponds. The combination of this flexibility and cultivation technology, combined with the wide variety of unique biology, creates the need for biomass processing capabilities, biochemical analytics, and techno-economic evaluation of process operations throughout all phases of research, development, and demonstration. The end result will be integrated algal biofuel platforms, which are robust, reliable, scalable, and energetically favorable for commercialization. At the center of this chain is SRS Energy, the leader in the wet fractionation of algal biomass into valuable co-products. SRS leverages over 15 years of custom separations development and implementation and operation of systems at over 2,000 client sites to provide products and services that separate wet algal biomass into 3 distinct fractions of lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. The Algafrac platform completes the fractionation of the wet biomass into lipids, protein-rich biosolids, and soluble carbohydrates, starting with a wet biomass slurry or paste ranging from 10 to 20% solids. To accomplish this, first, the algal biomass undergoes a pretreatment or conditioning process. Secondly, the conditioned biomass undergoes extraction with a nonpolar solvent to recover and isolate the nonpolar extractable lipid fractions. The third step involves separation of lipids from the biomass slurry. This is achieved through partitioning of the polar and nonpolar phases, following which we close the solvent-mass balance with a full solvent recovery process, thus eliminating losses and enabling reuse of the solvent. Algafrac has been built upon the need to develop a biomass separation solution and energetically favorable for commercialization. The technology and methodologies applied are designed with a mindset of scalability to the biorefinery level. The parameters of our proprietary preconditioning process, coupled with operating conditions unique to your specific algae strain, ensure we can tailor our platform to maximize product recovery and value from any aquatic biomass. Scaled from lab to bench scale to lab pilot and most recently field pilot, SRS Energy has developed and is commercializing the most economically and energetically favorable process for extracting and isolating valuable products from algal biomass. The U.S. Department of Energy identifies pilot technology as systems which process 0.5 metric ton of algal biomass per day. In April 2010, SRS Energy completed the field installation of a field-based pre-pilot system at a client site in New Mexico. This first-of-a-kind field pilot wet fractionation platform continues to receive wet algal biomass from an adjacent algae farm using open pond cultivation techniques. The crude algal oil is recovered from this operation in a batch mode. Design work is underway to create the first pilot-scale continuous flow system, which will be brought online in 2011. Across all phases of research, development, and commercialization, SRS Energy offers a range of products and services to support the needs of the industry. Leveraging our platform technology at all scales, from laboratory through pilot, we are able to provide fractionation services on samples ranging from grams to kilograms. Using our in-house analytical services, our team quantifies the chemical composition of the biomass fractions, identifies the maximum revenue potential from any algal crop, and summarizes the findings in a crush-spread report tailored to your needs. This information, coupled with our relationships with producers and manufacturers of fuel, feed, and nutraceutical components, are all aimed at ensuring you maximize your opportunity for revenue. At the center of this chain is SRS Energy, the leader in cost-effective and energy-efficient wet fractionation of algal biomass into valuable products for fuel, feed, and the nutraceutical markets.